Us. So when you're running with your dogs, you got to make sure your dogs keep up with your voice commands and also what you ask them. Wolfie is 9 months old. He's just a newbie. Bang is older. 3. Even when cars come, all you gotta do is just move over. The dogs already know how to do shit because they're intelligent like that. Us. So always make sure you water your dogs too. And that's where we're going. The dogs already know where their watering spot is. They have fresh water. I take care of the water myself. So I know they have fresh water at all times. Okay, move, she brother, get some. Wolfie.